Welcome followers to the TSW and SD's Queensland Tropical Cyclone Outlook for 2014-2015, brought to you by the Australian Government Bureau of Meteorology. So as we know, followers, the Bureau of Meteorology has released its seasonal outlook for the 2014 and 15 wet season, reminding Queenslanders now is the time to prepare. Current and forecast indicators point to a normal cyclone weather season, which typically runs through from November to April and is just around the corner for Queensland. The Bureau of Meteorology Queensland Regional Director Rob Webb said a normal season in Queensland averages around 4 cyclones. So we've got 4 cyclones in the Coral Sea, with one of those cyclones crossing the coast. An additional cyclone would be typically occurring in the Gulf region. The tropical cyclone outlook suggests the possibility of a slightly delayed start to the cyclone season and near average activity, but we would urge communities not to become complacent, Mr. Webb said. Each summer brings increased risks associated with severe weather. With warmer temperatures, there is more energy in the atmosphere, and this fuels tropical cyclones, severe thunderstorms, heavy rain, and a greater likelihood of flooding. It only takes one cyclone to ruin your summer, and if that cyclone crosses the coast in a heavily populated area, the impact can be devastating. We've seen severe tropical cyclones impact the coast in years with similar indicators, so now it's the time to make sure that you're ready for the wet season. Mr. Webb said flooding is less likely to be widespread this season than is commonly seen in a La Nina event, such as the summer of 2010-2011. It's important to remember that flooding is to be expected somewhere in Queensland every year, and early preparation is the key. The severe thunderstorm season is also upon us, and general activity will increase throughout November into December in southeast Queensland. Queenslanders know that severe thunderstorms can strike quickly and the impact can be devastating. So keep your eye on the latest forecast, warnings and observations, particularly when thunderstorms are forecast. It also pays to keep one eye on the sky to make sure you are prepared for whatever the weather has to offer. Mr. Webb encouraged Queenslanders to use the spring weather to get prepared for the wet season and make sure they have an emergency kit ready, and importantly, know where to get information in times of disaster. So there you have it, followers. That is the tropical cyclone season outlook for the Coral Sea and the Queensland coast, and we do hope that you do take the time now to prepare your cyclone kits for the upcoming cyclone season. And don't forget, you do have Cyclone Sunday coming up in the first Sunday in November. So please do make use of that event so that you can keep up to date with all the necessary things that you need to have in your cyclone preparation kit for this season. Of course, us here at TSW and SD will keep you up to date with all the latest information regarding thunderstorms and cyclone warnings. So please do continue to keep your eye on the page, and also for the more up-to-date and more experienced outlook, please do go to the Bureau of Meteorology's webpage, www.bom.gov.au. Well, folks, that's all we've got time for tonight, so thank you for watching, and if you'd like to support the work that we do for you, please do take the time to show your appreciation by donating to us through our PayPal link, which you can find on the left-hand side of our page under the cover photo. If you scroll down to this area here on our page and click on our PayPal Secure Donations tab, and you'll be able to make a secure donation to the team so that we can continue doing this important work for you. So thank you very much for watching. Good nights, and we will probably catch up with you when our first cyclone develops in the Coral Sea.